Hello, this is Sage reporting for Kalkine. Thank you for joining us and please stay tuned for our Australian market close update. ASX shares fall as bond yields rise. Australian shares were tracking lower towards the end of the session. Australian 10-year bond yield rose sharply on Thursday. At the time of writing, the yield on the 10-year bond was around 1.22%. Benchmark index ASX 200 is trading lower by 0.8% as compared to yesterday's close at the end of the trading session. In light of rising yields, ASX bond, proxy and gold shares were lower. In Australian dollar, the gold prices have fallen from a high of $2,800 levels in August to $2,350 levels. The yellow metal is trading at $2,390.40, down by 0.76% from the previous close. ASX gold stocks like Chalice Mining, Ramelius Resources, Silver Lake Resources, Perseus Mining and St Barbara were trading lower on Thursday. Large gold miners including Newcrest Mining, Northern Star Resources, Evolution Mining were also trading lower. ASX bond proxies also shed gains as rising yields made investors jittery. Shares of Transurban, Sydney Airport, Horizon Holdings, Cube Holdings, Atlas Arteria, Auckland International Airport were all lower. Real estate is also a sector with heavy debt piles and markets also punished real estate stocks. Charter Hall Group, Mirvac Group, GPT Group, Dexus, Unibel, Rodemco Westfield, Lendlease Group, Goodman Group were all trading lower. Australian bond yields are expected to go lower given that the Reserve Bank of Australia has embarked on a $100 billion bond buying program. Bond yields also dictate the borrowing costs in the economy and the Reserve Bank is committed to keeping borrowing costs lower. Sectors that led the losses in ASX 200 were real estate, utilities, energy, industrials, consumer discretionary as well. All of the 11 sectoral indices were lower towards the end of the session. The best performing shares in the ASX 200 were CSR Limited, Zipco, Netwealth Group, Harvey Norman and GWA Group. Shares with most losses included Origin Energy, NRW Holdings, Ramelius Resources, Silver Lake Resources and Perseus Mining. Thank you for joining us. This is Sage reporting for Kalkine.